All right, getting pretty darn good at posting on social media or, just creating videos. It's real important with Save Club, okay? Because at the end of the day, please think of it as simply as this. You're going to invite somebody to click your link, which will lead to a video, okay, hosted by our CEO. All right, his name is Charles Moy. He'll take it from there. Okay, he's going to chat about 6 minutes about the opportunity, either saving money on things you're already buying, or if you're an affiliate, how to make some moolah. Okay, I'm excited to say that I've made about 2 grand the first couple weeks. Okay, I joined a few weeks ago as an affiliate. I paid for the year. Okay, and I get a little bit more something something. Okay, my commissions are a little bit bigger because it's considered VIP when you sign up by the year versus the month. Okay, but join according to budget. It's $19.97 a month, or if you want to join for the year, do so. Okay, but like I said, just relax. I'm in no rush. I'm in no cash grab. I'm not going anywhere. This is an exciting opportunity. It's only a couple weeks old, and by June 1st of 2025, that's going to be the ready, set, let's haul some ass mode. Okay, where a world called planet Earth is going to know about this opportunity. So in the next few weeks, you're going to hear, usually if you're an affiliate or if you've been in an opportunity that could be like an MLM, direct marketing, network marketing, call it what you want, or maybe you're just searching for what's the top 5 business opportunities online in 2025 where you can work at home on your computer, in your PJs, in your underwear, it don't matter, but you want to work at home. And this is my opinion. It takes just as much effort and time to make a couple bucks as full-time income, or then some. Okay? Because if you just post your link, make it fun, and post every day. Okay? If you have lunch at your normal job, go sit behind your steering wheel in your car and make a post. When you get home, dinner, maybe your wife, kids, you got the family environment, do whatever it takes to just have a great time with your family, have dinner. But when you have those few extra hours after everybody's settled, instead of watching a movie, all right, watching the Hallmark Channel, guys watching Sports Central, there's a lot of cool stuff to sidetrack you. Believe me, I probably have way more sidetracking chaos than most people. But I'll tell you, guys, it is now, let's see, it's Mother's Day, May 11th. All right, we're just a handful of weeks in. And we've got 19 days right now to relax and not have a lot of competition, because she who signs up in the beginning stages of a company like this with such explosive growth, the chance of you signing up a city, a neighborhood, okay, maybe a bowling league, or maybe a country is extremely high. Most of my friends that make substantial amounts of money, I'm not talking a couple grand a month. I'm talking my friends that have made tens of millions, and I have a few friends that have made over 100 million in situations like this. But guess what? They all signed up within the first week or two of that opportunity. Because when there's a matrix, okay, a downline, if you make some money and I can make some money, you can bet your sweet buns I'm going to help you make more money so that I can. And with my spillover and the way that our pay plan is, if I make a little bit of money, something, it can spill into your pockets too. Okay? My best interest is to help you. Okay, we have not met. I hope that we can become friends somehow. I'm a little chatty. I'm a little social. I think it's fun to meet people worldwide because this business is a worldwide thing. This isn't just a little city thing where, maybe you meet 5, 10 people. Like I said, in your bowling league, okay, that's fun. But it's really cool when you meet people in Florida to Philadelphia. Then you go up to Canada, Mexico, the UK. All right, cruise on over to Asia, down to Brazil and over into Australian areas, okay, you can very easily meet people worldwide. And I have over the last couple of years. Okay, I joined a company called Live Good, and I kick ass in it. I've signed well over 400 people up in just a couple of years with zero experience. I'm just good at chatting at my webcam like this. I turn it on. It's peaceful right now. No one is bugging me. There's no cell phones are ringing. I do have email, but I'll get to them when I can. It is Sunday right now, and I'm relaxing, guys. I have a beautiful cup of coffee with a little bit of honey and vanilla in it. I have already taken my first pee, and life is good. because I've got people signing up. I've already made a couple $1,000 already my first few weeks, and that's cash in my pocket. I've saved $700 on the just the membership side. And as of this morning, I've signed up 65 people. All right. Oh, I want you to have the same success and feeling that I have. That when I go to bed or I'm showering, biking, doing the boogalooing, man, I'm breaking down. I'm busting a move. All right. I'm making money. Okay. 24 hours a day worldwide. That's what's exciting about this type of business. That's the allure. It's crazy. You can be kicked out of high school like your boy here. You can wear a pink Chevy hat like, yeah. You can wear a Cobra Kai sweatshirt. That is comfy as hell, by the way. If you get one of these, oh man, you'll go to bed in it. You might start sucking your thumb. You feel so darn safe. Okay? Strike first. All right? Strike first, Cobra Kai, baby. I want you to join first. And I'm talking for real. Okay? If you're watching this video, today is, like I said, Mother's Day, May 11th of 2025. We've got 19 days left before the company goes, ready, set, go. In the next 19 days, there's probably someone, and this is my opinion, okay? I just got to do the little quotation marks. I can't guarantee your income or anyone's, but I'm not kidding you, man. I think, in my personal opinion, in the next 19 days, it could be you, could be me. Someone's going to sign up and create a very big downline that's really going to make you happy. I'm already top 10 in the company. The guy I signed up underneath, he's number 1 in the company. Is he my buddy? You're hell right. Damn straight tootin'. All right. He's a go-getter like I am. Okay. We like to have fun. All right. We like to make video, and it works for him. He's generated millions of dollars, guys, in every opportunity he has ever done. And right now, boom. All right. He signed up, got hold of your boy here, and we're having a lot of fun. We keep things simple. We believe in support. Right now, with his connections, we are going to help you guys with video. Even if you don't even want to do one like this, don't worry about it. Just relax. With the capture page and the website you get for $60, there's already a beautiful video already, 6 minutes long. It's with our founder. His name is Charles Moy. And let him do the heavy lifting. Okay, if you're a little bit embarrassed, you don't like your voice, you think you look tired, or you bald, wear a hat. Ladies, I don't know. There's a lot of things that you just don't like about yourself when it comes to video, and I get it. 9 out of 10 people are not going to do video that join. Those who do, they're going to reap the benefits. Okay? There I can speak from experience. Video has really escalated my income to a crazy, ridiculous amount of money. Every single month, I almost have to pinch myself, usually my nipples, and then I go, ooh, kind of like the Pillsbury Doughboy. Then I go like this to my cheeks because they're getting a little chubby, aren't they? But anyway, an amazing opportunity is right here. If you're searching for an opportunity, okay, do the best you can. Come up with something bigger, better, longer, thicker, more satisfying. Okay, if you find it, good for you. But you need to do your research and do it fast. Okay, I'm just telling you straight up. I joined a couple weeks ago. I do fun little videos. I help my downline, and all of a sudden I got a couple grand already coming in. I know I'm going to make more and more each and every week. So to start up literally from scratch and already bring in 4, 6, 8 grand a month, okay, I know you can do this. Please don't have the belief system that only the gurus or people with a 10, 20, 30-year hard head start will be successful. Okay, I want you to use the tools that will be made. And by that, I mean banners, pictures that are interesting, videos that are neutral. So if you use a video that's made by us or myself or someone in my group, it's neutral. So it talks about Save Club, how you save money on things you're already buying, or stuff in the future like going on vacation, flight, travel. Okay, but then how to be an affiliate too. $60, 3 $20 bills, guys, and then just maintain your membership for $19.97. That's it. There's no more loopholes. There's no more, and then there's more. This is just good old-fashioned savings on things you're already buying. And if you want to go out of your way to save more money on things that maybe you're not already buying, that's up to you. I'm just telling you, my first month I saved $700. I've already made a couple thousand, and I have no doubt I'm going to make probably 4 grand just my first 30 days in this company. I'm going to show you everything I do. I have no secrets. I don't have, oh, and then there's more, and then I sell you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of bucks of things. Okay. I'm very good at selling information though. Okay. I'm damn good. And I sell the best information online. But that's if you have some extra bucks and you want to buy high-end education on how to Instagram, TikTok, how to be compelling, interesting, sexy, mysterious. Guys, you got to be that way kind of. Otherwise, people are not going to stop on your videos or search and maybe somehow find this guy that wears a pink hat with a Cobra Kai sweatshirt with more toys on his wall than a Toys R Us store when they were still alive and kicking. It almost looks like, yeah, Toys R Us store tipped over right here in this room. Okay? But I'll tell you what, it equates to money. There's no doubt about it. The more fun I have, the more storytelling I talk about maybe the good old days, or maybe my favorite Hot Wheel, maybe the band Kiss, okay? Or just talk about, I don't know, maybe those little Frenchy dogs that I think are adorable. I just saw another one yesterday. Now I want like 10 of them because they're these little Frenchy dogs. They come up and they put their face like this on your face, and they just sit there and cuddle it and love you, and they don't even know you. All right. Normally, for girls to do that to me, I got to pay them, and I need to save money. And I'm hoping that when I log into my Save Club account, that I can find a category of girls that will pretend to like you. Especially if you live in Utah and you're almost 60 years old. If they have a category like that, I'm pretty sure I'm going to save money because I'm going to be in that category every day. I either got to buy a couple Frenchy dogs or maybe go down to Vegas. I'll get a Lyft because Lyft is in the back office. I can save on a Lyft. There's air flights everywhere. I can save to fly down to Vegas. I can get off that flight, take another Lyft maybe to the hotel on the Strip. Okay? And I can save there, and maybe I can find somebody that will just love me for who I am. Kind of a creepy guy born in the 60s. But you know what? This creepy guy who's almost 60 has signed up 65 people, and I'm pretty darn good at that 60 thing. Okay? I know that you can do this. Even if you're 30, you lucky little snappers. I'd like to smack you guys, man, for only being 30. I'm so jealous. I'm twice your age. All right, if you're 40s, 50s, I don't care if you're 90, you can do this. I like when you don't have experience because then you don't have bad habits from the 70s, 80s, 90s. Well, knocking on doors used to work, and boy, I used to leave my business cards everywhere on bulletin boards and gas stations. I'm like, good, try it still. If it works, awesome. One at a time, baby. But I see value where people email you looking for your information. People inbox you on your social media looking for information. How to post on social media, TikTok, and all those other great free, in my mind, platforms. Facebook is my favorite. And I love these darn videos talking to you guys. I want you to feel like you know me. I feel people join people. And you know what? I even own that company as well. Type in peoplejoinpeople.com. Okay? I really do think if you join me, it's because you believe that I can help you, and I will. And I think I can, and I know I will. Okay, I pride myself on that. It makes me feel good. They call me insecure because I'm older now and I'm getting replaced by younger people and probably AI. All of us should be probably nervous, okay? Unless you're a proctologist. I mean, I don't know. Maybe AI can go A-I-A-I-O and you squeal like a eow-eowa. But other than that, AI, it's a real thing. We need to lasso that and use it. And I sure in the heck do. I'll tell you what. And when it comes down to recruiting people, I'm very good at it. And I like to just show you how I do it. Okay? Most of it is free, to believe it or not. As long as you have like internet access, maybe you do have a webcam or a light to light up your face, or a cell phone will do. Most people do have a smartphone. And they just want to earn money. Everyone says, I just want to make some extra money. And I'm like, guys, it takes the same amount of effort to make a whole lot of money, where you pay all your bills and then some. Then you start saving like crazy. Then you can afford this badass hat or this badass Cobra Kai sweatshirt. And then maybe you can take out your pretty Lulu, or maybe you're going out with a guy named Poindexter, ladies, and you can treat those folks to a nice dinner. But you got to start somewhere, okay? By watching my videos, I think that's kick-ass, okay? I always end my videos like this, and like I said, I want you to copy me. If I post something, if I show you on Facebook, if I'm in a video, and somehow it makes you want to click my link to maybe join, there's a reason for that, okay? And we need to sit down and see if you can do the same thing. And I know you can. Okay, anyway, I want you to click ilovesaveclub.com. We'll take baby steps. Let's just get you into the system. I want you to go to this page and watch this video. This is Charles Moy. It's a very good video. It is 6 minutes of this opportunity. And after you watch it, then I don't mind emailing back and forth or inboxing, okay? Because I think this video is more than enough to make you want to join. Not only as a $1997 a month, savings person, but I want you to be an affiliate. $60, 320s, guys. And I want you to make money. And I want you to save money, okay? All I can do is storytell, like I said. I'm at a $2,000 income in 2 weeks. $700 of savings just on the Save Club. I had to buy tires for my Hummer. I had to buy a mattress. I went to 2 different car washes and just random food. Like every month, I usually just drive by a Subway. I'll accidentally go by a Burger King and buy a Whopper. But guys, there's Walmart. There's some of the biggest billion-dollar companies in the world already back there. There's a lot in America, but hang tight. We're going to Canada. We're going to the Philippines. We are definitely going to China. Right now, our biggest areas that are signing up are Malaysia and Philippines, okay? And of course, way over in Africa. But this is a worldwide endeavor. This is something that you have to take action on. And I know every video that you might look at today says, take action, take action. I'm just telling you this as a favor and as a potential friend. We are in the beginning stages. And the 65 people that have already signed up with me, I high five you. Okay, you are positioned nicely. Okay, this should go on to do 1 to 2 million members very fast. And right now we only got like 10,000. And 99% are just going to enjoy the savings. That's awesome. If you can spend $20 a month to save $100 to $200, that's just smart. Okay, I am a member, but I'm also a badass affiliate. Okay, I'm not going anywhere except up. I didn't accidentally get top 10 in the company by accident. I have no doubt I'll be top 5, and if I can be number 1 as far as recruiting, that's awesome. Because the more people that sign up, it just means more money. It's just common math. Okay, and really feels good, guys. All right, to get up and just see your bank account go up and people signing up. I love when you guys contact me. It makes me feel valuable. So it's like a triple thing. Boom, win, win, win. 3 W's. You ever heard of the www.com thing? I sure did 30-something years ago. And if you told me that I'd be successful online on that World Wide Webby, I'd be like, nah, I'm more of a blue-collar guy. I like to entertain, do fart jokes, do radio shows, own nightclubs. But boy, I'll tell you, to relax here with you guys and just talk about this opportunity, invite you to a link, and just watch the CEO founder chat a little bit. And then if you want to join, good. Okay, let's just take our times. No pressure, no stress, no traffic. All right, if the kids are at school, maybe they have jobs and they're out of the house. Is your hubby or wife, maybe they're gone. You can sit back and go, let's make some money. Show me the money. Come on, I want to rub myself and just squeal like a little piggy. Oink, oink, all the way home. Okay? There's nothing wrong with doing that. Just don't do it in public or in a high school. I have not tried that, but you can bet your sweet ass you're going to be going to jail if you be clucking like a chicken and squealing like a pig anywhere outside. Unless you live maybe in Utah and Iowa and some parts in Arkansas. All right? So where do you live? All right? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, just, shrink up the video. You can see the name of my YouTube channel. All right. Maybe I should just show you a little bit. All right. There's nothing wrong with showing you. Okay. Here's my YouTube channel, and it is called Official Save Club. And look at that handsome devil with those shiny little teeth, and they're real. And that hat is badass. I've got a pink one on now, but a yellow one, ooh, I love it. Yellow matches my underwear because sometimes I don't have enough time to get up and go pee. So I wear yellow. That way no one can tell that I accidentally tinkled in my Hanes, or is it Fruit of the Looms? I might be going commando or wearing boxers. But anyway, please go to Official Save Club. It's such a fun business. And to make money, oh man, that feels good. All right, go ahead and watch that video. Fill out this form right below my little facey. And it all starts there, folks. All right, ilovesaveclub.com. All right, thanks for subscribing again to my YouTube channel. And I got a whole bunch of videos coming up in the next couple days. Hopefully it'll teach you and help you make a decision to join. All right, boom, I'm done. Have a good day, guys. See you soon. Bye.